This is an event where all of us come together as one.
We hope that today's activity is just the beginning of many more opportunities for corporate citizenship and volunteerism.
It's so nice to see so much work being done. More importantly, to see that those of you who are doing the work all have smiles on your faces while you're doing it.
Being a volunteer in Brigadang Ayala has been an incredibly rewarding experience for me. It's not just about giving back, it's about being part of something bigger.
Malayo po ang mararating nitong ginagawa natin ngayon. And this will go to students, to teachers, to government and private sector employees kasi individual survival kits po yan.
So we hope that these kits will make our communities stronger and more resilient, especially when disaster strikes.
Masaya na in a little way nakakatulong tayo sa ating kapwa.
Tutulong po tayo kung paano maging handa sa sakuna.
To bring #Ayala for the greater good in places that need the most help.
This is why the Ayala Group, through Ayala Foundation, is introducing the Corporate Citizenship and Volunteerism Program, which serves as a channel from all of us to give back to the communities and make a meaningful difference in people's lives.
Bilang social development arm ng Ayala Group, naghahanap po palagi tayo ng mga opportunity para magsama-sama, mag-collaborate. Makapagserbisyo sa ating kapwa Pilipino.